I work at ERIKS in Tyseley, and I work as an electromechanical technician. Well, on the basis of it, we fix motors, pumps and gearboxes. Customers approach us, they bring us a pump that doesn't work or a gearbox that doesn't work. We strip it down to the components, figure out what's wrong with it, put it back together again and give it back to the customer. It has been a fairly even split between work experience here at Tyseley and In-Comm training in Aldridge. I'm doing a degree at the same time, and I believe degrees are important, but I also believe that going for an apprenticeship gives you the basis knowledge that you don't get from doing a degree, and I also think that's really helped with my degree. It gives me a lot more of a solid basis of knowledge than I would have done otherwise. Through college, you cover a lot involving manufacturing and maintenance, and here, because of the broad scope of ERIKS work, I've had the opportunity to do some condition monitoring, which involves vibration analysis and thermography, as well as here, which we do the maintenance side, so the stripping down of the motors and stuff, but also the machining and the balancing and lots of different